Tecno has officially announced its brand new Spark 40 series, which includes 3 distinct models, all of which have been launched in Uganda. These models are anticipated to be introduced to the rest of the global market soon. At the forefront of this series is the Spark 40 Pro Plus, which stands out as the first smartphone to feature the Helio G200 chipset. It will be powered by MediaTek, accompanied by 8GB of RAM and options of 128 or 256GB of storage. And its screen is going to be curved AMOLED with 6.78 inches with 1220p plus resolution and 144Hz in its refresh rate, so it's a really very attractive screen indeed. The battery boasts a capacity of 5200 mAh, supporting a full charge at 45 watts via cable, 30 watts wirelessly, and even 5 watts of reverse charging through a cable. The main camera is 50 megapixels, with an unspecified auxiliary sensor that seems more decorative. The front camera is 13 megapixels, available in Nebula Black, Aurora, White Moon, Titanium, and Tundra Green colors priced around $214. Meanwhile, let's talk about the Spark 40 Pro, which keeps the same 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with 144Hz, but in a flat format. In performance, it drops to the very used Helium G100 with 8GB of RAM. It retains the 50-megapixel main camera, 13-megapixel front camera, and 5200 mAh battery with 45-watt cable charging. In this case, it would be available in colors Ink, Black, Moon, Titanium, Lake Blue, and Bamboo Green. The price is approximately $189. Finally, the Spark 40 serves as the entry-level model, featuring a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with HD resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz. It is powered by a Helium G81 processor with a maximum of 8GB of RAM. The rear camera boasts 50 megapixels while the front camera offers 8 megapixels. In this case, it retains the same 5200 mAh battery supporting 45 watts, and its price starts at around $133. However, do remember clearly that prices here are not the same as those over there. All the models operate on iOS 15.1, which is based on Android 15. The Pro models come with 64 IP protection, safeguarding against both water and dust. I'm curious, let me know which devices the designs in this series remind you of, as they appear to be quite heavily inspired by both Samsung and Apple. Do you think this strategy by Tecno is beneficial in providing consumers with a variety of options? Or, on the other hand, does it create confusion with such a large number of models within a single series of entries?